When we start learning Chinese, we need to build the foundation first. Besides pinyin common conversation phrases, easy characters are crucial too. Today, we are going to learn 20 easiest and common used characters. Let's see the easiest group. Yi, the easiest word in Chinese. It means one. We always use it with measure words. 一杯, a cup of. 一双, a pair of. 二 means two in Chinese, as in 20 for 20 and 200 for 200. Like 1, 2 is a fundamental numeral in Chinese. 三 means 3 in Chinese. It is a key numeral in the language, and it is notably associated with the epic tales of heroes in 三国演义, Romance of the Three Kingdoms, a classic Chinese novel set during the Three Kingdoms period. 10 means 10 in Chinese. We say 12, 20, 20. Now, let's read them again. 1, 2, 3, 10. Excellent! We will move on to next group. 人 It looks like a person who is walking. This is the Chinese character for person or people. 男人 man, 女人 woman. 大 big or large. Imagine this is a person using their arms to show you one thing is really big. We often say 大地 grand land, 大哥 big brother. 小 is the Chinese character for small or little. Imagine this character as a tiny person with arms close together. It is used to describe things that are small, young, or minor in various contexts, such as 小狗 for little puppy and 小孩 for little child. 天 it means heaven or sky. Visualize it as a horizontal line representing the earth beneath a large arc, symbolizing the sky. This character is integral to words like 天空 for sky and 天气 for weather, signifying the expanse above the earth. Follow me. 人 大 小 天 Not difficult, right? Let's learn next group. 上 is the Chinese character for up or above. It is used in various contexts, such as 上面 on top, 上车 for get off. 下 down or below. Imagine it as a person with arms pointing downwards, representing a downward direction. This character is used in phrases like 下面 for underneath and 下车 for get off. 中 is the Chinese character for middle or center. Visualize it as a person standing in the center of something. There are phrases like 中心 for center and 中午 for noon. It signifies a central or middle position in both physical and abstract senses. 文 is the Chinese character for culture or writing. This character is part of words like 中文 for Chinese language and 文字 for characters, or writing? Well, it is time for a small recap. 上下中文 Let's move on. 木 It means wood or tree. This character is used to describe various things related to wood or trees. It is often found in words like 木屋 for log cabin, wooden house, and 木材 for wood material. 火 is the Chinese character for fire. Visualize it as flames rising from a burning firewood. This character is central to words like 火焰 for flame and 火锅 for hot pot, literally fire pot. 水 water. Imagine it as a depiction of flowing water. This character is essential to words like 河水 for river water and 水果 for fruit. 土 is the Chinese character for earth or soil. It is also a radical to make characters related to earth, like 地 ground. Then we got words like 土地 for land. We also have 泥土 for mud or clay. Let's check this group of nature characters. 木 火 水 土 Now we will learn the last group. 木 It means eye in ancient Chinese. Visualize it as an eye, but in vertical. This character is also a radical to make characters related to eyes, like 眼 for eyes. We also found words like 目标 for goal or objective. 手 is the Chinese character for hand. Visualize it as a simple representation of a hand with fingers outstretched. This character is central to words like 手指 for finger and 握手 for shake hands, emphasizing the concept of hand and its functions in Chinese. 口 means mouth. Visualize it as a simple representation of an open mouth. This character is central to words like 口水 for mouth water, saliva, and 口音 for mouth sound, accents, signifying the concepts of mouth and speech in Chinese. 心 is the Chinese character for heart. Visualize it as a stylized representation of a heart shape. This character is central to words like 心情 for mood, feeling, and 心灵 for mind. Congratulations! You have learned 20 characters and some words in this short video. If you find today's video helpful, please share it with your friends. If you are not a subscriber to our channel, please consider hitting the button of subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.